So next, we are going to talk about another category of services called app integration services. And when we talk about the app integration services, we are really talking about three different types of services on AWS. AWS offers several services that enable the organizations to build and manage the integrations between different applications. We will discuss about some of the key AWS integration services. Imagine Simple Notification Service. Simple Notification Service or SNS is a fully managed pub/sub messaging service that enable you to send and receive the message between different services and applications. The publisher sends the message and subscriber receive the message. SNS supports fan out, filtering, and mobile push notifications and can be integrated with other AWS services such as Lambda, SQS, and Kinesis. Simple Queue Service or SQS is a fully managed messaging queue service that enables you to decouple and scale the microservices, distributed systems, and serverless applications. SQS provides durable message storage and batch processing capabilities. AWS Step Functions is a service that let you coordinate with components of distributed applications and microservices using visual workflows. These are just few examples of many application integration services provided by AWS. Depending on the need, these and other AWS services can be used to create a robust and scalable integration architecture.